hello everyone. Today we will start the next chapter of your moral science book, that is Pressing On with Purpose. So before understanding this chapter, we have to know the proper meaning of this chapter. And the meaning is be pressing on with purpose means you have to focus on your aim, means you have to press your aim until you received. Okay, now in this chapter you will study the story of Helen Keller as well as Eklavya. ओके नाउ उनके अंदर कितना बचपन से ही उनके अंदर कितना डिटर्मिनेशन था, दृढ़ संकल्प था कि हमें कुछ बनना है, हमें अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है। ऐसे ही इंस्पिरेशन आपको भी अपनी लाइफ में होना है। आप भी अपनी लाइफ का एक एम बनाइए और उस पर फोकस करिए, बिकॉज डिटर्मिनेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट in success your life. My dear student, if you want to do success, if you want to do something in your life, you have to face so many difficulties, and every difficulties when you are facing, many problems are there. Just try to avoid that problem and definitely you will become hero of your situations. Don't fail, because everybody fails in their life. ओके हमेशा सिंपल लिविंग हाई थिंकिंग के बारे में सोचना है. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस चैप्टर ऑफ प्रेसिंग ऑन विद पर्पस. मीन्स यू हैव टू प्रेस ऑन योर पर्पस वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू in your life. So I am giving you one story of Helen Keller. Okay, be inspired with them so that definitely you will achieve your aim. Here I am with the story. A story about a little girl who lost her ability to see and hear after suffering a debilitating sickness when she was just 19 months old, and yet overcome these difficulties to become the world famous author. The story is about the patience and determination of a teacher who dared to do what seemed impossible, to teach her young ward to communicate with the world. Since this little girl was not born visually challenged, she was deeply frustrated by her inability. Her parents succeeded in securing the services of an instructor to educate their daughter when she was just 7 years old. After a near futile time of trying to get her young student to learn and understand her teaching methods, the young teacher experienced so much new things with her. While standing at the water pump together with the water running over her student's hand, the teacher spelled the word water into the child's palm. Suddenly the child understood the connection between the object and the letters spelled out in her hand. Her curiosity increases day by day. That very same day by nightfall, she had learnt nearly 30 new words. This young student was none other than the famous Helen Keller and her teacher Annie Sullivan. Both of them were epitomes of determination and purpose. With a strong resolve to communicate with others as conventionally as possible, Helen learned to speak and spent much of her life giving speeches and lectures. She learned to hear people's speech by reading their lips with her hand. She even succeeded in becoming the first deaf blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Anne Sullivan, who herself underwent eye surgery at a young age to partially restore her vision, was only 20 years old when she became Helen's teacher. From the role of an instructor, she went on to become Helen's companion for life. She even accompanied Helen to college and serving as Helen's tutor and companion, sat by her side to interpret lectures and text. The remarkable thing about both Helen Keller and Annie Sullivan is that in spite of all their challenges, they lived life to its fullest. This is the best example I am giving you. So my dear audience, be inspired. students, you understood this beautiful story. So be inspired with that story. After all, you all are genius in your life. So determination is the key element that sustains life. We understand that we can live life as a daring, as a bold person like Helen Keller. So determination is very, very important in your beautiful life of your journey. To succeed in life, you have to determine. If you want to succeed in your life, you have to determine and focus as you want to achieve. Whatever you want to achieve, you have your own aim in your life. If you don't aim, then you will do nothing in your life. Okay, so be inspired and thank you very much.